Hi, this is RuVik Education, and today we're going to be beginning with this part of lesson 3, class 5, Deutsch und ich, second book. And second book, as in Deutsch und ich-2 is written, that's why. And remember, we are learning together, growing together, so we may make some mistakes, but we'll try our best to provide you the best information we can give. Also, go ahead and watch the previous parts if you haven't already, because we've discussed many things already. So, what do we see on the screen? It is written der Unterricht. Der Unterricht means the class. Unterricht means class. The article is there. That means it is masculine. Keep in mind. Here we have to write the object with article. Schreibt die Objekte und mit Article. Write the object with article. I'll give you an example here. For example, if I take a look at this. This is a window. Window is called Fenster. Window is called, give me a second. Window is called Fenster. The article of Fenster, what is the article of Fenster? Is it das or is it the? What do you think? I guess it's das Fenster. Now, if I take a look at this object over here, I can see a map. So map is called Landkarte. Oops. Yeah. Map is called Landkarte. Landkarte article is the. So here the answer will be the Landkarte. Then we see this arrow is pointing towards the blackboard. Blackboard is called the Tafel. So this will be the Tafel. This is a chalk. Have you learned what we call a chalk in German? No? Let me tell you. It's called Kreide. So the Kreide. Okay. Next, what is this? I guess they're pointing towards the desk. So it's called Schulbank. Or actually, they're not really pointing towards the desk. It's the chair. So I'm going to guess it is stool. So stool is basically your chair. So we'll write stool for now. It's not really make out. I cannot really make it out. So over here, they're telling about the desk. So I guess here the answer should be Schulbank. But from what we have learned, I guess they want us to answer with Tisch. So we'll write Tisch here. Next, they're pointing at this pencil. So this pencil is called their Bleistift. If I talk about this, they're pointing towards the notebook, so their heft. Here they're pointing towards, I don't know what they're pointing towards here. The line is not really visible. Is it the table? I guess. Then we have, they're pointing towards the eraser, so that would be the Radiargummi, Radiargummi, Radiargummi. Oh, spelling is incorrect. Anyways, okay. Next we have a sharpener. Sharpener is Schärfer is called sharpener. With umlaut is there. This is lineal scale, so das lineal. This is book, so das Buch. This is a pen, so der Kuli. Then this is a bag, so it's a rucksack. This is a dustbin, so that would be called. Trash is called mule, so I guess Mülheimer. Okay, so I guess we're done with most of them. Calendar is already given, and now we can move ahead. Wie heißt das auf Deutsch? That means, what do we call that in German? It's partner activity again. So, like the first one says ball, so the second one should say the article. So, first one says it just the word, and the second one has to tell the article. Things are already given on the screen. As you can see, this is a window, so the answer will obviously be Fenster. The second one is a tree, so answer will be Baum. The third one is a guitar, so answer will obviously be guitar. This should be capital, and spelling of guitar, is it correct? Let me check. Nope, it's wrong. So here we'll just remove the T and add a R. Okay. This is Radiar. So Radeirgummi. This is a television, so it should be Fernseher. Yeah, correct. It's there. I was confused if the option is given or not. Okay, this is a bag, so rucksack, or even Tasha is correct. So the Tasha you can write. This is a calculator. Calculator we have not learned yet, so we'll do this at the end. This is a lamp, so Lampe. This is a house, so das Haus. This is a scale ruler, so it's a lineal. Next we have this cupboard, so Schrank. This is a car, so Auto. This is a train, so train is Zug. Is Zug given here? Yeah, Zug is given. So Zug. And this is a plane, so it should be Flug somewhere. Flug. Let's see if it's there. I don't see it actually anywhere. So let's tick off the things we have done. We have done ball. No, did we do ball? Where's ball? I guess it was the first one itself. Tasche, Haus, Lampe, Zug, Radialgummi, Taschenrechner, we didn't do Fenster, Schrank, Fernseher, Gitarre, Auto, Lineal, and Baumistry, that's for sure. And we also know that Taschenrechner is calculator. Okay. So we have done everything. So I guess this one we are supposed to do by ourselves. It's a aeroplane according to me. So answer should be Flugzeug. Flugzeug. Okay. Moving to page number 43. Again, it's a partner Übung. That means there are certain pictures of people. You have to ask, one partner has to ask what is the profession of the person. You have to make out whether it's a male or female. If it's a male, we'll ask was ist er von Beruf. If it's a female, we'll ask was ist sie von Beruf. Simple difference. If the answer is with her, the answer is for female, you will write sie ist dash dash dash. And if it's with a male, you will write er ist dash dash dash. So I don't think we have to do all of these. If I do even one or two, I'll give one example of male and one example of female, and the rest is pretty much obvious. So I guess you can do it by yourself. Here we have a doctor, so we'll ask the question, was ist, this is a male doctor, so er von Beruf. We'll ask this question, partner 2 should answer. So we'll write ist Arzt. Okay, let's take a female example. Here we have a teacher. Let's take example. Was ist sie von Beruf? Partner 2 should say, sie ist Lehrerin. She is teacher. So simple like this, you can fill in everything because all are discussed. I'll just tell you police, lawyer, mechanic, and pilot. Okay, now we have formulare Wörter, which we'll be doing in the next part. So go ahead and watch that.